Good morning, God.
Good morning, God.
This is your day. I am your child.
I am your child.
Show me the way. Now, next is what? Warm up time. So let's warm up. Everyone, both your hands on your head. Start. Move your body like this.
Come on, dance to the tune. Workout is a mood. We are healthy soon. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. March, march, march. Life is all march, 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 march. Get your body touched.
Come on the right side. Bend yourself. The left.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Jump, jump, jump. Let's all jump.
Everyone, jump.
Jump. Make your muscle pump. Punch, punch, punch. Let's all punch. Punch, punch, punch. Have a hearty lunch. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Yay. Everyone rub your palms. Place it on your eyes. And wish your teacher. Good afternoon, teacher. Say good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, students.
Teacher.
Everyone. Good afternoon, all of you. Kids, good afternoon. How's everybody?
Sure.
Okay, kids. So, you did lovely warm-up exercise with your teacher. You enjoyed that? Yes? Enjoyed it?
Business.
Oh, very nice. Okay, kids. Now you can relax a bit. Okay?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Take a sip of water. Drink some water. Just relax a little bit.
Yeah, that's relax. Sure.
थोड़ा relax हो जाओ, पानी पी लो, take some water, okay?
Okay, okay.
And after that, we're going to start off with the
Okay.
studies, okay?
Yeah, I'm with this one.
Okay, kids. Did you revise your backward counting first of all? Did you all revise your backward counting?
Yeah.
Sure, you all must have.
Yes.
Okay. Now, if I ask any one of you, will you be able to tell me? Yes? Very nice. Okay. So, let me see. Shubhra looks very confident. Okay, Shubhra, please tell me your backward counting. 10 to 1.
Okay. 8, 9, 8.
Very good.
7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Very nice.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Is there somebody else disturbing Shubhra? Please mute. Let only Shubhra talk. Yes, Shubhra. Are you on mute, Shubhra? Because I can't hear you. Yes, Shubhra, please unmute yourself. Unmute karo. हाँ.
10
1,
10 to 1. 10.
8, 2,
Use your fingers.
Fingers open.
10,
10.
8,
9,
9,
8,
7,
7, 6, 5,
4,
3,
2, 1.
2, 1.
Yay!
Close. Okay, very good, Shubhra. Now tell me, is there anybody else who wants to tell me? Raise your hand. Please raise your hand who wants to say backward counting. Lokeshwari, you want to say? Yes, Lokeshwari, please unmute. Shubhra, please put yourself on. Yes, Lokeshwari, tell me.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Very good. Excellent, Lokesh. Very nice, beta. Very good. Keep it up. Yes, Tana, tell me. Please unmute. Look, everybody else on mute. Lokeshwari, please put yourself on mute. Yes, Tanaya, tell me.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
4.
4, 3, 2, 1. 0.
Nice. 0. Okay, very good, Tanaya. Excellent, beta. Very nice. Very good. Ishwari, please tell me.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
2,
1.
1. All fingers close. Very nice. Very good. Put yourself on mute. Barhanuddin, please tell me.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Very nice. Excellent, Barhanuddin. Very good. Okay, now Ruhi, you tell me now. Please tell me backward counting, Ruhi.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
4.
4, 3,
Very good.
1.
1. Very nice, Ruhi. Good job. Well done, beta. Very good. Now, who is left? Anybody left now? Omkar. Yes, Omkar. Please tell me your backward counting, Omkar.
10,
10,
9,
9,
8,
8,
7,
7,
6,
7, 5,
4,
Very good.
3,
Very good.
2,
2,
1.
1. Very nice, Omkar. Very good.
You also clap. Clap karo.
Very nice, Omkar.
Thank you. Bol thank you.
thank you.
You're welcome, beta. And please mute yourself. Yes, Anvesha. Please tell me, Anvesha.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 2, 1.
5, 4. You
Five,
missed out 5.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, very good. आप खाली 5 मिस आउट कर रहे हो, बाकी बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो कि बीच में 6 and 4 के बीच में आप 5 मिस आउट कर देते हो. Okay, Anvesha, but you are doing very nice. Very good, beta. Very nice. Very good.
You also.
Now, yes, you. You, please tell me the counting.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Very good. Excellent. You all have prepared it so well. Okay, Kavya, please tell me the counting. Yes, Kavya, please unmute yourself. 10. 3, 2. Bolo 2. 1. Very nice, Kavya. Put yourself on mute. Okay, now who is left? Sarvadnya is left. Sarvadnya, आप बताओगी? Can you tell me? Yes, Sarvadnya, please tell me.
10, 9, correct? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
1. Okay, very nice, beta. Very good, very good. Please put yourself on mute. So that means everybody has prepared their backward counting. Now I'm going to show a small video. Everybody please see us on backward counting, okay? Please see the video. Just give me 1 minute. I'll share the video with you. Just look at the screen, okay? Okay, there we go. Just give me 1 minute, it's coming, okay?
Six. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1.
Can you all hear the video?
You're
Can you
doing
all hear the
great.
sound from the video?
Let's count down again.
Okay.
10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. The astronauts need our help. Can you count down from 10 with us so the astronauts know when to lift off? Great! Let's get counting. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Great job!
Super cool.
Thanks for all your help today. Keep on counting.
Okay, kids. So,
Click on
did you enjoy the video, kids? Could you see it? Okay, kids. Did you enjoy the video? आपको आ रही थी आवाज? Were you able to hear the voice? Okay, very nice. Okay, kids. Just give me 1 minute, kids. Now, what are we going to do? We are going to study the numbers from 1 to 15. We are going to revise it. We have already done it, but we are going to revise it. Okay, so just keep your book and your pencil ready. I'll be back in 1 minute. Okay. Okay, so are you ready with your book and your pencil, everyone? Okay, very nice. Now, which book do we have to take? We have to take this checkbook. Okay, so we are just going to revise our number 1 to 15. खाली हम revision करेंगे. Okay? सब लोग ये book निकालो and take your pencil also with you. Okay, so you all ready with your pencil and books? Are you all ready? Now, on the top over here, you have to write the date. Okay, so if you want, you can take help from Mama to write the date. What is the date today? Today is the 11th of September. Okay, so everybody will write down 11 over here, 1111, like this on the top. Mama से आप help ले सकते हो. Ask her where to write. Okay, but you can write number 11. So write number 11 on your own. Then dash 09 because it is September. So we write down 09. Okay. अब Mama से help ले लो. If anybody is sitting there with you, please take help. And then 2020, which you don't know. You haven't studied the number. So just copy whatever it is. Just copy karo.
2020.
Very good. Okay, very nice, Ruhi. Very good, beta. Yes, perfect. Very nice. Everybody, very good. Very good. Okay, now after we write the date, we have to write C, capital C over here on the top, capital C. We all know how to write capital C, right? You've learned it when we revised it in the class. So please write down capital C on the top. Then after that, write down capital W. Very good, Ruhi. Yes, very nice. CW means class work. Okay, so whatever work we do in the class is class work. जो भी काम हम क्लास में करेंगे उसको हम क्लास वर्क बोलेंगे. Okay. Now we are going to revise the numbers. जो भी numbers हमने अभी तक पढ़े हैं ना 1 से 15 तक, उन सबको हम एक साथ लिखेंगे. We'll write it together. You have learned it on different days. One on one day, then second on the other day, then third on the other day. Like that you've learned in parts. But now we are going to write them all together. अब हम सबको साथ साथ लिखेंगे. Okay, so first thing आप अपनी मम्मा से help लो. You have to write T and O. So ऐसे लिखना है blocks के अंदर. So you can take help from mama. She can guide you how to write it. TO is for tens and ones. Okay. Now we'll start writing our numbers 1 to 15. Now tell me what is the first number. The first number is 1, right? Number 1. Everybody show me on your finger. Number 1. Very good. And how do we write number 1? So you have to write it under O. A straight line like this. And write it under O. Don't write it under T. O के नीचे लिखना 1 को. Okay? Now what comes after 1? Who is going to tell me? Yug, you tell me what comes after 1, Yug? 1 के बाद क्या आता है? See my fingers. What comes after 1?
वो टीचर पूछे थे 2.
2. Very good. 1, 2. So what are we going to write now? 2. Leave one line. एक बीच में एक लाइन छोड़ के लिखो तो आपका वर्क नीट होएगा. ऐसे 2 लिखो सब लोग. Write 2. And you can leave one line. But if you have a small book, अगर आपके पास छोटे वाली बुक है ना, कॉपी है, तो उसमें आप एक साथ भी लिख सकते हो. Okay? Now, Anvesha, you tell me what comes after 2?
3.
3. Very good. So, if everybody first write 2, then we write 3. पहले 2 को लिख लो, फिर हम 3 लिखेंगे. Remember kids, ये revision है. आप लोग already कर चुके हो ना 1 to 15. आज हम खाली revise कर रहे हैं. Okay? When you have written 2, just show me a thumbs up, okay? 3 अभी कोई नहीं लिखेगा. 3 जब मैं बताऊंगी तभी लिखना है. Don't write it unless I tell you to write it, okay? Only write till 2 and show me a thumbs up like this. Okay, has everybody written till here? Now let us write the next number. Like you told me that it is 3. We write down number 3 like this. Okay, so please write down number 3 now. Now next answer I will ask Sanaya. Okay, Sanaya, you tell me what comes after 3. 1, 2, 3.
4.
4. Okay, show me your fingers like this. 4. Very nice. Okay, so we will write 4 after 3. Everyone knows how to write 4. सबको आता है ना? किसी को नहीं आता तो अपना hand raise करके बताओ मुझे. Who doesn't know how to write, please raise your hand. I will teach you. अन्वेषा, अपना सर ऊपर करके लिखो. आपकी हैंडराइटिंग अच्छी आएगी ऐसे. यस. लेट के लिखोगे तो आईज भी खराब होंगी. ओके, सीधा बैठ के राइटिंग करो. सिट स्ट्रेट एंड राइट. Okay, so what have we written till now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Say with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we go to the next number. Now who is going to tell me the next number? Lokeshwari. Yes, Lokeshwari, please tell me the next number. What comes after 4?
4.
4 के बाद क्या आता है? 5. Very good. So we'll write number 5 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Write down 5. like this, okay? Okay, now Omkar, what comes after 5? 1. See, I'll show you on the finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then
6.
very
O.
good.
6.
Okay, 6.
6. Teacher कडे बोल.
Say loudly, 6. Say, you're such a cute kid. Why are you feeling shy? Say loudly, 6. Very nice, Omkar. Very good, beta. Very
Thank you. Bol.
You're welcome, beta. Okay, now after 5, we'll leave one line and write down number 6 like this. Okay, everybody please write down number 6. So what numbers have we written till now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody has to say with me. सबको पीछे पीछे बोलना है mute पे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now Shubhra, you tell me what comes after 6. Very good, Shubhra. Very nice. After 6, we get 7. So we write down 7 over here. Number 7. Okay. Everybody please write down 7. Okay. Now let us count again. Everyone count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now what comes after 7? Who is going to tell me? Tanaya, please tell me what comes after 7.
Bol.
Very nice, Tanaya. So everybody please write down 8. सबको आता है 8 बनाना? पहले आपको S बनाना. You have to make S. And then उसको ऐसे round करना. Okay? First make one S like this. And then round. I hope everybody knows it because we are doing this as a revision. So जिसको नहीं आता है 8 बनाना, please raise your hand. I'll tell you again. Everybody knows? Very good. Yes, Kavya knows? Very nice. Okay, so everyone's written till here. Now, Kavya, you tell me what comes after 8. Yes, Kavya? 9. Okay, say with me. 9. 9. Your voice is not audible. Okay, fine, Kavya. You can put yourself on mute, okay? Good. Now, after 8, everybody writes down 9. Like this, okay? ना याद रखना 8 बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स आप में से 9 को P भी बना देंगे, है ना? वो मिस्टेक तो हमसे हो जाती है कभी कभी. हम लोग इसका जो ये है राउंड है, this curve we make it on the other side. But remember, this curve will always face the red line. Do you see this red line over here? The curve will always face the red line. जो curve है 9 का, वो हमेशा red line की तरफ देखता है. वो red line उसकी friend है ना, इसलिए वो हमेशा red line को ही देखेगा, दूसरी साइड पे नहीं देखेगा. Okay, it will always look at the red line. Okay. Okay, now you tell me what comes after 9. What comes after 9, Yug? Yes, Babu, I think you're on mute. Now say. Very good, Yug. Excellent. Very nice. After 9, we get 10. Now see, 10 का 1 यहाँ पे लिखना है, 1 इधर लिखना है, and 0. I'm sorry. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, now see. जो 1 है वो यहाँ पे लिखना है ऐसे, और 0 9 के नीचे लिखना है, because 10 is a 2-digit number. 10 में कितने digits होते हैं? 2 digits. So 9 के नीचे 0 and 1 लिखना है इधर t के नीचे. ये देखो, ये हमने t लिखा था ना, उसके नीचे इसका 1 आएगा. ओके, 1 0 10. उल्ट ऐसे मत कर देना, 1 यहाँ पे और 0 यहाँ पे, वो wrong होएगा. 1 has to be beneath 10 and 0 has to be beneath 1s. Okay. So you can take help from Mama. If you're getting confused, ask her. She can guide you. Very good, Lokeshwari. Very nice. Okay, so 10 तक सबने लिख लिया है. Everybody is written. Anybody is left out, please tell me. I'll wait. Okay, good, Ishwari. आपने लिख लिया? Barhanuddin, have you written till 10? Okay, good. Kavya has written till 10. Very good. Kavya has written till 10. Okay, very nice, Kavya. Okay, so I assume yes, you want to show me something. Very good, Sanaya. Very nice. Okay, good job. Good. Very nice, Ruhi. Very good. Now let us write it. I will write on the whiteboard and ask you the number. You have to answer like a quiz. Okay, it's like a quiz. I write down the number and you have to answer me. I'm going to write down random numbers. मैं कोई भी number लिखूंगी, sequence में नहीं लिखूंगी, and मैं आपसे पूछूंगी, आपको मुझे बताना है वो number कौन सा है. Okay, so let me ask Ruhi. Ruhi, which number is this?
5.
Very good. Shubhra, which number is this?
7.
Very good, Shubhra.
7.
Revise only till 10. Okay, Omkar. Which number is this? Very nice. Very good. Okay, Anvesha. Which number is this, Anvesha? Very good. Very nice, beta. Now, Sanaya. Sanaya, which number is this?
4.
Very good, Babu. Ishwari.
That is my
Which number is this, Ishwari?
3.
Very good. Now, Barhanuddin. Which number is this, Barhanuddin?
6.
Very good. Now, Kavya. Which number is this, Kavya?
8.
Very good. Okay. Which number is this? 9. Very good. Lokeshwari, which number is this? Very nice, Lokeshwari. Which number is this? No? Sarvadnya, which number is this? Give me 1. Okay, Sarvadnya, 1. Bolo 1. 1. Okay, nice, beta. 1, number 1.
One.
Number 1.
बोला? One.
Okay, Sarvadnya, no problem. Okay, now have I asked everyone? Is anybody left out who is not answered? Please raise your hand. Okay, you're left out. Okay, Tanaya. Okay, Tanaya, tell me which number is this? Very good, Tanaya. Very nice. Put yourself on mute. Okay, so you all know your numbers. Let us revise it like this. 1. Say with me. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me write it smaller because it's not going to fit otherwise. 1, 2, 3. सबको बोलना है मेरे साथ साथ. 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 9, and then 10. Right? सबको अच्छे से आता है ना 10 तक numbers? किसी को कोई confusion तो नहीं है? Okay. So अभी हम 10 से आगे के numbers. What do we do? We don't go to the next page because we don't want to waste the page. हम इसी page पे second half को लिखेंगे. Right? Half like this. Okay? You can divide. Who is talking? Please tell me, beta, you want to say something? If you don't want to say something, please put yourself on mute. And if you want to say something, please say it. Okay, now see, this is what I have done. Parents, you can help the kids. You can divide the page into 2 for them. If you have a ruler, otherwise it's okay. If you have a ruler, then it's fine. If you don't have, then it's okay. Okay, so on the second part also, I write down PO. Okay? So I'm waiting for a few seconds. You can draw the line meanwhile. Okay, is everybody done? Okay, fine. So we continue. Is anybody left out? Please tell me. Okay, kids. Now, what do? We start writing the numbers after 10. We wrote till 10. Remember, हमने 10 तक लिखा था. Now 10 के बाद क्या आता है? ये आपके लिए नया होगा शायद थोड़ा सा, है ना? What comes after 10? आपने already revise किया है ये, but आपने nursery में शायद ना किया हो. What comes after 10, Shubha? 10 के बाद क्या आता है?
11.
Very nice, Shubhra. Very good. 1, 1, 11. Okay, so सब लोग यहाँ पे 1, 1, 11. Okay. Like this. 1. अब ये याद रखना है कि दोनों 1 T और O के नीचे होंगे. 1. अभी हम क्या सीख रहे हैं? We are learning 2-digit numbers. What are we learning? 2-digit numbers. Okay. Okay, now लिखने के बाद आप क्या लिखोगे? Space छोड़ोगे. And what comes after 11? Let me see who can give me the answer. Raise your hands. Raise your. I will ask you, then only you have to answer. Okay, please raise your hands. I think Tanaya is raising her hand. Tanaya, you know the answer? Okay, tell me, beta, what comes after 1, 1, 11?
And then 1, 2, 12.
Very nice. After 1, 1, 11, we have 1, 2, 12. Like this. 1, 2, 12. 1 under T and 2 under O. Please write it down, everyone. Okay, then after 12, what do we have, Omkar? Pass, tell me.
13. 1, 1, 3, 13.
13.
13. 13.
1, 3, 13.
1, 3, 13. 13.
Yes, Omkar. Very nice. Now, everybody, please write down 1, 3, 13. Okay, like this. 1, 3, 13. Okay, after 13, what do we have, Sanaya? Okay, you tell me, Ishwari, what comes after 13? 13 के बाद क्या आता है? 14. Very nice. So we write down 1, 4, 14. Please write down, everyone, 1, 4, 14. Okay, Lokeshwari, what comes after 1, 4, 14?
5.
1, 5.
1, 5, 15.
Very good, Lokeshwari. So we write down 1 and then 5. 1, 5, 15, like this. I hope you all can properly. Where is it? 1, 5, 15, okay? Very nice, Yug. Very good, Parhanudi. Good. Okay, so सबने 1, 5, 15 तक numbers आज revise किए. अभी इसको घर पर revise करना है. You have to learn it thoroughly. इतना अच्छे से याद करना है कि अगर मैं आपसे बीच में से पूछ लूं कि 15 से बाद में क्या आता है, what comes after 15, you should know. Oh, sorry, what comes after 11, you should know. Prompt answer 12. What comes after 13, 14. Okay, so you have to learn it, mug it up nicely, learn it nicely. Okay, and then after that, if I give you an exercise on missing numbers or what comes after, then you should be able to solve it. Okay, so kids, we are going to end our day over here. Now I am going to give you a small exercise today. आपने 1 to 15 numbers किए है ना, तो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू ब्रीफ यू फास्ट कैसे मैं एक्सरसाइज दूंगी. देखो, मैं आपको ऐसे नंबर्स दूंगी एंड आई विल टेल यू कि 14 से पहले क्या आता है, आपको वो लिखना है. 14 से पहले क्या आता है, आपको काउंटिंग करके देखना पड़ेगा. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. तो 14 से पहले क्या आया? 13. तो आपको यहाँ पे क्या लिखना है? 13. ओके, ऐसे अगर मैं आपसे पूछूंगी 5 से पहले क्या आता है, तो आप क्या काउंटिंग करके देखोगे? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. तो 5 से पहले क्या आया? What came before 5? 4. Okay, so I will give you a small exercise on that. today and you have to solve it, okay? And we will discuss it again on Monday. हम Monday को वापस से discuss करेंगे, okay? चलो, now let us do our prayers. Everybody please get up. And fold your hands. Say with me, thank you, God, for the world so sweet. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. For the world that- Thank you, God, for everything. Okay, now close your eyes and say, God bless my mother,
God bless my mother,
my father,
my father,
and teachers.
my teachers.
Help me always to keep them happy.
Help me always make them happy.
Okay, now let us do the national anthem. Everybody stand straight.
Me too.
Everybody on mute, please. Okay, some mute kar lo. Baranuddin, mute kar do. Everybody on mute. Now let us start. 1, 2, 3, start. मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्ज्वल जलधि तरंग तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय हिंद. Okay everyone, chalo bye for now. Take care of yourself, okay? And check your homework. Bye bye kids. Bye. Bye all of you.
Bye, teacher.
Bye. Bye.